In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending keywords on Semrush. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just getting started, understanding how to identify trending keywords can significantly enhance your content strategy and improve your website's visibility. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to start by heading over to the Semrush website. If you haven't got it bookmarked already, simply open your preferred web browser and type in semrush.com in the address bar. Semrush is an incredibly powerful tool for keyword research, and once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Now, after reaching the Semrush homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you should see an option to do so at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Semrush dashboard. If you're new to Semrush, you might need to create an account first, which is straightforward and guided. Once you're in the dashboard, your next task is to find the SEO section located on the left-hand menu. This section is your gateway to all things search engine optimization within Semrush. Click on it and a list of options will appear. Here, you'll want to look for the keyword research category. Under this category, you'll find the rather enticingly named Keyword Magic tool. Go ahead and click on that. The Keyword Magic tool is where the real magic happens. It allows you to discover millions of high-value keywords, ranging from popular terms to those elusive long-tail phrases that can really boost your marketing performance. It's one of the most robust tools Semrush offers, and it's ideal for uncovering trending keywords. With the Keyword Magic tool open, it's time to enter a keyword into the search bar. Think of a term that's relevant to your niche or the topic you're focusing on. This could be a broad term or something more specific. After you've typed in your keyword, hit the search button. This will prompt Semrush to work its magic and provide you with a comprehensive list of keywords connected to your initial entry. Now, here's where you can delve into the details. The tool will display all the trending keywords associated with your search term. You'll be able to see not only the keywords themselves, but also valuable metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty percentage, and cost per click data. This information is crucial for crafting a successful SEO strategy, as it allows you to target keywords that can drive traffic to your site and enhance your content's visibility. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively use Semrush to find trending keywords. Remember, the key to success in SEO is consistency and adaptability, so keep exploring and refining your strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy keyword hunting!